Yes, this is probably a bad idea. The blizzard warning just started an hour ago. I just want to get some shots of the snow before it gets dark because it's going to get dark soon and we're not in the worst of it yet. And I'm going to take an initial reading on how much snow we have. Seems pretty deep. Oh, wow. Wow. There's a snowdrift right here. Yeah, usually a ditch. Probably going to be deeper here. Okay, let's get initial measurement. Plus the stuff we've already had in the ground now, we're almost at 10 inches and it's almost 4 o'clock. So, a little worrisome. I don't have a ruler that has more than 12 inches, so I might have to improvise. I was measuring a cane earlier, but it's not exactly the kind of measurements I want, but that's the gist of it. I'll come back maybe out in an hour and see how much snow we've had.